Many game-oriented PCs are geared to high-end buyers, the kind who will not hesitate to splurge on high-end parts and the extravagant RGB lighting. But that's not really how the gaming market works. There are many people who just ask for enough performance to run their favorite games at an acceptable level. And HP is definitely aware of this. It's refreshing your PC Pavilion line for spring, and the focus this time is on a new Pavilion Gaming line that offers some of the PC accessories for games without venturing into the higher prices of the Omen and Omen X lineups. Both the Pavilion Gaming Tower and the Pavilion Gaming laptops feature angular black designs, colorful green, purple or white lighting on the laptop and practical gaming-oriented features. The 690 and 790 desktops have rotating hard drive trays, while the notebook offers dual fans and an improved cooling solution to keep the system running at full capacity. Of course, the performance is really what you're here for. While no lineup will replace a personalized gaming platform, they handle a surprisingly large swath of enthusiasts. Desktop computers start at $549 with a 3.5 GHz Ryzen 3 processor, Radeon RX 550 graphics, 8 GB of RAM and a 1 TB hard drive, but scale to a $1,699 setting on the 790 with a 3.2 GHz Core i7, Video GTX 1070, 32 GB of RAM, a 256 GB solid-state drive and a 2 TB spinning disk. There are also options for RX 580 and GTX 1080 graphics, plus up to 3 TB of space and more 16 GB RAM in the 690, 64 GB in the 790,